Welcome to iPack Machinery Manufacture. We are manufacturer with more than 30 years experience. Now let me introduce this machine. This line speed is 200 meter per min, size is 2.2 meter 5 ply. This customer is from Dubai. We can make 2 to 7 layer corrugated production line. Machine speed from 60 to 250 meter per minute. Size from 1 meter to 3 meter. Our machine have been sold all over the world. We have office in India, New Delhi, Uzbekistan, Tashkent, Thailand, Bangkok, Indonesia, Jakarta, Egypt, Cairo, Iran, Tehran, Russia, Moscow, Turkey, Istanbul. So we can offer you local service 24 hours. You can easy to get the machine parts. It will save more time. We have sales team all over the world. They can offer you pre-sale service. You just need connect us, then we will arrange to pick you up to see my machine in your country.